This is the Bridgestone Turanza 6, the latest touring tyre. Designed to be long-lasting, fuel-saving and great in the wet, it's a brilliant premium option and is available in sizes from 16 to 22 inches. So let's take a look. These grooves on the outer shoulder help to improve the tyre's traction in wet conditions. They channel the water away from the contact patch, helping to prevent aquaplaning. The Turanza 6's superior mileage comes from two different aspects. First is these 3D washboard sipes, which interlock to help the tyre remain stable and evenly distribute forces on the contact patch. And the second aspect comes from the compound, which perfectly balances performance with longevity. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to make sure your garage stays up to date on the latest tyres and industry advice. Bridgestone have engineered the Turanza 6 with their Enliten technology. This revolutionary technology makes the Turanza 6 last longer by 20% and 4% more fuel efficient, while still maintaining its excellent performance in both wet and dry conditions. As well as all this, the Enliten technology means that the Turanza 6 is EV ready as standard. So there we have it, that's the Bridgestone Turanza 6. Not only is it EV ready, but it's also great on fuel, longer lasting and great performance in the wet and the dry.